Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove PIN password on Messenger. First of all, open the Messenger application and log in to your account. Then on the home screen you will see three horizontal lines, also known as hamburger icon at the top left corner. Tap on it, then tap on the settings gear icon located in front of your username. In the settings, scroll down and tap on the privacy and safety option. Privacy and safety settings are crucial for managing who can contact you, how your information is stored, and in our case, how to handle encrypted chats. Here select the option End-to-End Encrypted Chats. It is a security feature that ensures that only you and the person you are communicating with can read the messages sent. However, it can also require you to set up a PIN to secure those chats. Tap on the message storage option. You will have an option of turn off secure storage. Tap on it. After that, Messenger will prompt you with a confirmation screen. This step is crucial because it ensures that you fully understand the implications of disabling this security feature. So tap on continue. Once you have done that, Messenger will process your request and the PIN password requirement for your encrypted chats will be disabled. This is how you can remove PIN password on Messenger.